Ever felt overwhelmed by spreadsheets and wish there was an easier way to manage your finances? You're not alone. That's where cloud-based accounting software like Xero comes in. But before you dive in, you're probably wondering, how long does the Xero free trial actually last? Let's be honest. Nobody wants to invest time and energy into a new software only to find out the free trial period is shorter than a microwave dinner. So, in this video, we're going to clear things up. We'll cover the exact duration of the Xero free trial, what you can actually do during that trial, tips for making the most of your free trial experience, and finally, whether Xero is the right fit for you and your business. Dive into the main content. Now, let's address the burning question. How long does the Xero free trial last? The good news is, Xero offers a generous 30-day free trial. This gives you ample time to explore the platform, test its features, and see if it's a good match for your accounting needs. Highlight key features and trial benefits. During your 30-day free trial, you'll have access to a wide range of Xero's core features, including invoicing. Create professional invoices in minutes, track payments, and get paid faster. Bank feeds. Automatically reconcile bank transactions, saving you countless hours of manual data entry. Expenses tracking. Easily track and categorize business expenses with features like receipt capture and mileage tracking. Reporting. Generate insightful financial reports, such as profit and loss statements, cash flow reports, and sales tax reports. Payroll. If you have employees, you can explore Xero's payroll features, including calculating pay, processing payments, and managing employee records. To make the most of your Xero free trial, I recommend set clear goals. Before you even start, define what you want to achieve with Xero. Are you looking to streamline invoicing, improve cash flow, get a better handle on your expenses? Having clear goals will help you focus your efforts. Import existing data. If possible, import your existing financial data into Xero. This will give you a more realistic picture of how the software can work for your business. Explore key features. Don't just skim the surface. Take the time to explore the features that are most relevant to your business needs. Reach out to support. If you have any questions or encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out to Xero's excellent customer support. They're available to assist you throughout your trial. Consider a guided tour. Xero offers guided tours and online resources to help you get started. Take advantage of these resources to learn the ropes quickly. Discuss potential limitations and alternatives. While the Xero free trial is a fantastic opportunity to explore the platform, it's important to be aware of some limitations. Limited functionality. The free trial may have limitations on certain features, such as the number of invoices you can create or the number of bank transactions you can reconcile. Data limitations. Any data entered during the trial may have limitations after the trial ends unless you subscribe to a paid plan. If you're not sure if Xero is the right fit for you, consider exploring alternative accounting software options. Some popular alternatives include QuickBooks Online, another popular cloud-based accounting software with a user-friendly interface and a wide range of features. Zoho Books, a comprehensive accounting solution with a focus on small businesses, offering a free plan with limited features. FreshBooks, an invoicing and expense tracking software specifically designed for freelancers and small businesses. Ultimately, the best way to determine if Xero is the right fit for your business is to try it out yourself. The 30-day free trial provides a risk-free way to experience the platform and see if it can help you streamline your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.